Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make time in Little Alchemy 2. To get this unique element, you simply need to discover 100 different items within the game. That's right, time isn't made by combining two specific elements. It automatically appears in your inventory once you hit that discovery milestone. It's a special reward for your exploration and creativity. So, let's dive into how you can efficiently reach that 100 element. To quickly reach your 100 element goal, a great strategy is to systematically combine every new item you discover with all the elements you already have. Don't be afraid to experiment. Start with your 4 basic elements: air, earth, fire, and water, and see what new things you can create. Some combinations, like water and lava, can even give you 2 new elements at once, such as steam and obsidian, significantly boosting your discovery count. Now for the iconic chorus. This is where the energy really kicks in. You'll want to play a more open and driving hi-hat pattern, often opening it on the end of beat 2 to give it that signature shimmer. Don't forget to hit a strong crash cymbal on the very first beat of each new chorus phrase. This adds impact and helps define the song's most memorable section. Maintain a powerful, consistent feel here. With time now in your arsenal, the world of Little Alchemy 2 truly opens up. Keep experimenting with time and all your other elements to uncover even more fascinating combinations. Remember, there are over 700 unique elements to discover in total, so your journey is far from over. Enjoy the process of mixing and matching, expanding your encyclopedia, and seeing what incredible new items you can bring into existence. Happy crafting!
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.